name is Daniel Brindley. I am one of the senior applications engineers here with ADDMAN Engineering. I work mainly with laser powder bed fusion on the metal side. When evaluating service providers, customers should think about capability as well as expertise in the field.
We get our engineering staff involved. We ask, what is it that you're trying to accomplish through this process?
A newcomer to the field may or may not have the ability to see all of the pitfalls that come with additive. It is unfortunately not as simple and straightforward as many people would like you to believe.
Is this something where you just want to send off a part or a print of a part and get something back that you may or may not be able to use? Or do you want to have a relationship with your service provider? At ADDMAN Engineering, we want to know what your goals are, what your cost targets are, what your performance targets are, what your timeline's like, so that we can provide a complete, fully integrated solution.
So finding someone who is able to process as required, as well as having been there and done that, is a great bonus for any additive provider.